Hi there. Today we're going to discuss how to get content into Schoology. So let's jump into a Schoology course and go to the Add Materials button. In my other videos, I covered tests and assignments. This is purely content driven today. Let's start with the Add File Link External tool. So this item lets you attach files and links to your Schoology page. Let's start with File. As you can see, there's an Attach Files button here. Click on that to access any files on your computer. So I'm going to just choose one of these Word documents. There are some tools along the bottom if you need to individually assign certain things to certain specific students. Also, this Copy to Courses button is handy and need to share an item with another course you teach. So then click Add when you're ready, and there it is. When students click on the content that you've attached, it will open in a preview window inside of Schoology. So there's my item there. And if students need to download or print, there are some tools along the top that allows them to do that. Going back to materials, I am going to demonstrate the link option. So we're going to go back to Add Materials, then Add File Link External tool, and choose Link. This allows you to enter a URL or an embed code. So if you want students to check out a specific website, for example, so here I have an article from a website that I want my students to read. And then I can click Add. And there it is. When students come in here to click on this link, it will open inside of Schoology or attempt to open inside of Schoology. So I've just tried this again with a different website, a CNN website, and sometimes this will happen, so watch out for it. Sometimes the web page will not open inside Schoology and you'll get a little frowny face. There's a couple ways to avoid this. You can just click on the little arrow here to open this resource in a separate tab. Or what you can do is you could set up this content item a little bit differently. I'm going to go to the gear icon and edit. And this defaults to display in Schoology. So whatever resource I'm posting will try to display inside of Schoology. You can turn that off by clicking on it. And so now it's grayed out and it says display in new window. So now when I click on this, it will automatically open in a new tab and I don't have to worry about the frowny face. Another content item that might be helpful to you is the add page. So adding a page. So this is just a blank area for you to add content and information for your students to consume. So I'm going to call this Chapter 1 information. And I can type anything I want in here for the students to read. I can use this link icon to do some links. I can even embed information using this Insert Content button. So I can go to Image Media, find a picture on my computer, and attach a picture. I can go into Insert Content and go to YouTube, and I could find a YouTube video for students to watch, and I can import that. So there's the YouTube video. I can also attach Google Drive resources. So I can click on the Google Drive resource and pull something out of my Google Drive. So there's my Google Drive item. Down along the bottom, I have some more tools. I showed you the link before. The file allows you to attach any files you may have on your computer. And then the microphone item allows you to record yourself talking to your students, either audio or audio and video. Once I create this item, Students can then click on it and then go through the information that you just created. If you want to insert a YouTube video, you'll need to find that video on YouTube and grab the link. So let's say I want this particular YouTube video and I want to grab the embed code. I can copy this and then I can go to Add Materials, Add File Link External Tool, choose Link, and then enter that embed code in. And now this YouTube video will be embedded right into my Schoology. If I just want to add the link to the YouTube video, then in YouTube, I would copy the link, go to Schoology, add materials, add file link, and copy and paste in the link. And there's just the link. So it's kind of up to you. If you have an embed code for something, you can embed it or you can simply link it. So we just covered how to insert different types of content into your Schoology course. I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.